everyone! I'm ZJ, and I'm so excited to be in the kitchen with you today. We're gonna make some awesome chicken strips together. But first, listen up, because this is super important. Always ask your mom, dad, or grown-up for permission before using any kitchen stuff. They're the experts on keeping us safe while we have fun cooking. Are you ready to get started? Let's go! Okay, friends, let's get all our yummy ingredients ready. We need chicken, flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Oh, and don't forget the special spices for extra flavor. My dad always says it's super important to have everything ready before we start cooking. Now let's do something super important. Wash our hands really well. My mom tells me that clean hands make the best food. And guess what? We're gonna have a grown-up nearby to help us with any tricky parts. Remember, safety is the most important ingredient in our recipe. Time to get a little messy and have tons of fun. First up, we need to cut the chicken into strips. This part can be tricky, so make sure your grown-up helps you. Now, let's make our yummy coating. We'll mix the flour with some tasty spices in one bowl. In another bowl, we'll beat the eggs. And in the last bowl, we'll put our breadcrumbs. It's like setting up a chicken strip factory. Are you ready for the super fun part? We're going to dip our chicken strips in each bowl. First in the flour, then the egg, and finally the breadcrumbs. But remember, raw chicken can make us sick, so we need to be extra careful and wash our hands again after touching it. Now comes the most exciting part, frying our chicken strips. But hold on, this part is for grown-ups only. The oil is super hot, and we want to stay safe while we cook. So, let's watch carefully as our helper fries the chicken strips. See how they turn golden brown and crispy? Wow, they smell so yummy! Once they're cooked, we have to let them cool down a bit. My dad always reminds me that patience makes food taste even better. While we wait, we can set the table and get ready to enjoy our delicious chicken strips. Don't they look amazing? I bet they taste even better than they look. Remember, always be careful with hot food and let it cool down before you eat it. Wow, we did it! We made super yummy, crunchy chicken strips together. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Remember, if you have a cool cooking idea you want to share, leave a comment below. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Kids Kitchen Corner for more tasty adventures with me, ZJ. We're gonna cook up so much fun together. See you next time, friends!